Here's what you need to know about n8n version 2.0. So what you're looking at right now is n8n version 2. And what you'll notice is that it doesn't really look that different, which is a good thing, but there are little changes that you'll sort of start to notice as we take a deeper look. And the first thing that you'll see is this really cool new animation where when nodes are spinning or thinking, they're actually having this little red outline circle around, which looks a lot more futuristic and it looks really slick compared to the old way where we had the agents kind of just having like a red spinny circle within the actual node itself. And the other thing you'll notice is the nodes look like they're a bit more embedded into the workflow and there's not like a 3D effect, which I think actually looks a lot more like modern and minimalistic. So if I go ahead and actually copy this workflow right here, and I go into the version 1.0 and I paste it in, you can see the difference here, how these obviously look a little bit more almost bulky now. But I do need to go over this behavior change, which is definitely a big one, where Subworkflow data can actually be returned back to the main workflow if there was some sort of wait or some sort of human approval or human feedback. All right, so I'm telling the agent to please get approval for the following memo, which is, hey team, we're moving our ice cream Wednesdays to Thursdays instead. And so what you can see is that it called on the get approval tool. And so if I go into Slack and we see right here, we got that message where we can approve or deny, I'm gonna go ahead and approve this message. And what the agent responds to us with is, I have submitted the memo for approval regarding moving ice cream Wednesdays to Thursdays. Is there anything else you would like me to do? And so we don't actually know if the team approved that or declined it. So here I'm going to send off the exact same message. You can see here it has shot off the request to the get approval tool. I will once again approve this action. We get our success message. And when I go back into here, it actually says the memo to move ice cream Wednesdays to Thursdays has been approved. Would you like me to help you blah, 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 blah. And if I click into this tool, we can see that we actually do get this response message from the Subworkflow, which says that it was approved. If you want to watch the full breakdown, then click on that play button right here, and I'll see you guys over there.